Do you have expansion joints in your concrete that look like this? I'm going to show you how to fix it with a great product. Typically what a builder or contractor is going to use is a pressed plywood or some type of fiberboard. Well, Trim-A-Slab has made a really awesome product that I want to talk to you about and show you how to install. It is a flexible PVC material that is also UV protected, so it'll stand up to the sun really well. You can see that it is made in the USA, which is really awesome. One of the nice features about it is got these self-anchoring mechanism which will slide down in between the joint and keep this material in there. And of course here's the crown that's going to be exposed up on the top. This is very flexible. You can cut it with a knife, you can cut it with some garden shears, whatever you want to use to trim this up as you need to. Here's really all the tools I'm going to be using. I've got a big heavy-duty screwdriver. I'll use this to remove the existing expansion joint material, clean out between the concrete joints. Rubber mallet comes in handy sometimes. Usually this material will just slide right down in between the joint. If you need to tap it down, rubber mallet works really good. Pruning shears, really all you need for trimming up any pieces you might have on the edges, or if you need to do any modifications to it. Pruning shears work really good. Tape measure. Of course, work gloves. And I've also got some Quikrete all-purpose sand that I'll be using to fill in on the gap. First thing we got to do is remove this older expansion joint. I've got a 16-foot stretch here, so it's going to take me a little bit to do it, but let's get after it. You can see how that plywood they had used is rotted. It's all damp. Want to be careful and watch out. This does have nails in it, so be careful doing that. See how that's just coming apart? And this driveway was put in by a reputable contractor who did a really great job, but it's just this material, it just won't hold up. This is not a paid endorsement. I just really like this product. Hey, if this video is helping you out, why don't you poke on that thumbs up button and give me a like. If you're not a subscriber, why not? Subscribe right now. And there's how I do my edges, if you can see that or not. And all you do is start sliding it in. Alright, so here I am at the end. What I want to do is show you how I cap these off by turning a corner with it. So let me notch it out real quick and I'll show you what it looks like before I install it. Alright, so right there's how I cut it. Now what that'll do, that'll go all the way to the end like that, and then I'm going to fold that down underneath it and stick it in so it's secure up against concrete there. And there it is, all turned under nice and neat like. Makes for a nice little corner. And now the sand's going to come out. It's all contained. So here is the finished strip after we're all said and done.
You can see here I've got a similar corner right there. Great thing about this product is that it's made in the USA. It's easy to install because it's flexible, and when you're all said and done, it looks great.